In today's fast-paced world, digital marketing has become an integral part of any business strategy. From small businesses to large corporations, digital marketing plays a crucial role in reaching out to potential customers, building brand awareness, and driving sales. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses all marketing efforts that use digital devices or the internet. It includes various channels such as social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, and much more. The purpose of digital marketing is to reach out to your target audience in the right place, at the right time, and with the right message. By utilizing various digital channels, businesses can engage with customers, drive traffic to their website, and increase sales. Digital marketing also provides the ability to measure and analyze the success of your marketing campaigns. With various tools and techniques available, businesses can track the performance of their marketing campaigns, adjust strategies, and achieve their marketing goals. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential component of any business strategy in today's digital age. It offers a vast array of opportunities to engage with customers, increase traffic, and grow your business.